What's up, everybody? AmigaBill here. Today you're gonna get an exclusive first look at the upcoming Amiga game, Bean vs. the Animator. Now the opening of the game is so good, let's just get right into it. That was awesome! Folks, I am super lucky. 17-Bit Retro made this exclusive AmigaBill demo for me to play on my weekly Amiga Twitch stream. Bean vs. the Animator is a gun-shooting game, an homage to the classic Terminator 2 arcade game. And the coolest part about it will actually work with a real light gun. That's right, there's a new light gun coming out called the Sinden that works with modern flat screens, and you'll be able to use it with this game when playing with an emulator. However, you can also play with a mouse, and that's what we're going to use today because the Sinden isn't quite available yet. Bean vs. the Animator will run on an Amiga 500 or Amiga 1200 with 1MB of chip RAM and 512K of fast RAM. Today I'm playing with my Raspberry Pi Amiga 1200 set to a stock 020 speed, because when I played it on stream with my real Amiga, the 030 was messing with the music a little bit. Now this is just a beta, the actual release won't have that issue. The game will have both PAL and NTSC support, and you can have 2 players simultaneously. There's 6 levels, including space, the moon surface, the sea, and the graveyard. There'll be in-game music for each level, but at the moment there are just sound effects. The final game will have 6 weapons, but this early demo's got 3: a pistol, a shotgun, and an Uzi. They're expecting the game to cost only $5, and it'll be out this summer. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, here we go. The company presents Bean vs. the Animator AmigaBill Exclusive Edition. Oh, I love that. Image is great. Mission 1, sabotage. Help us, they've taken the factory. Alright, there's a scientist. We're not going to shoot the scientist, but we are going to shoot these guys. Here we go, baby. Alright, I got the pistol up right now. It's got unlimited ammo, and you can just keep pressing the fire button to shoot it. Left mouse button is firing right here. Those $ are points. We can switch to our shotgun, get ammo for the shotgun, so whatever gun you have selected is what will be reloaded when you see the ammo. And now look out, see there's poles there? You can't shoot through the poles, which is cool. The heart gives us some extra life points. I really like the pistol a lot, but I'll take it to shotgun. I missed, but I'm gonna shoot these guys. They're one hit. The shotgun will one hit them, which is really cool. But I'm gonna save the shotgun more later on for the boss. Get some points. Now, of course, you don't want to shoot ammo on the screen with the pistol because the pistol's got unlimited ammo, so you lose that opportunity. One shot in them is a lot of fun. Oh, look at that. Drone. Get out of town, Bezos. Picked up a shield, and you can see the green bar down there. It's giving me some shield. We'll hit the bomb. The bomb kills everything on the screen. There wasn't anything on the screen at the moment, so that bomb didn't help us much, but oh, here we go. Here we go. Shoot the bomb. Boom. And it kills everything on the screen. That's key. Here we go. Boss number 1. He says prepare to be terminated. No way, dude. You're the one that's getting terminated, bro. So I'm starting with a shotgun, getting some nice hits on him. And then once his missiles get a little more crazy like that, I'll just switch over to the Magnum because I need to play a good defensive game. He's getting weaker. He's getting weaker. Boom! We just blew his head off, but he's still alive. Take the defensive approach. Boom! Boss number 1 dead. Woo! Ooh, that was an awesome image. Mission 2, Judgment Day. Magnum. I got the Magnum ready to go. We got planes in the distance. Whoa, look at this guy. Got any 2 million sunblock? That's hilarious. That is actually Speccy Nostalgia. Well, careful, Speccy, careful. Speccy, don't, dude, Speccy, get out of the war, Speccy. I don't want to shoot you. Oh, you can shoot the planes right out of the sky. That is sweet. All right, all right, all right. Here we go, here we go. I'm looking for hearts. I need health. Got it. All right, cool. At least we have full health now, and it looks like we're getting ready for a boss fight. Oh my God, it's Hoffman, Hoffman the clown. It's time to start running, and he's got a hostage, and he's throwing yellow stuff at us. He's throwing mods at us. Hoffman the clown, that's hilarious. Okay, so I'm gonna be very precise here. I'm gonna take a defensive approach. Look out for the balloons, and I'm gonna try just to keep shooting Hoffman in the head, and I don't want to shoot the hostage, obviously. So I'm just gonna take my time, focus. Keep shooting Hoffman in the head. When he shoots his mods at me. When he shoots his mods at me, I'm gonna defend myself. Defense, defense, defense. The best offense is a strong defense here, folks. Patience, patience. Boom! You're a real take charge guy. Woo! We got Hoffman, baby. This is awesome. Woo! Hoffman was way too rude and he tried to get me every way, but we took him down, baby. Woo! Alright folks, there you have your exclusive first look at Bean versus the Animator. I've actually included this demo in my weekly AmigaBill goodie bag for all my patrons and Twitch subscribers. If you have the means to show a little support, head on over to patreon.com/AmigaBill and get your weekly goodie bag loaded with Amiga news and free Amiga stuff. The game is an absolute blast, and I can't wait to play it with a light gun, as well as in 2-player mode. It'll be coming out this summer from 17-Bit Retro, so stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon, because there's never been more going on in the Amiga community, and we've got lots more videos to come. Amiga forever.